Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Harin. So today we discuss about how to speak English as a beginner. It's such a common question because lot of people afraid of this question. So if you are also facing this type of problem, so you watch my video till the end because I will give you a great solution. By using this solution you can improve a lot. Yes, firstly I would like to tell you it's not a my mother tongue. Yeah, on your also not a mother tongues, so you have to you do not afraid of this language because it is a language. Okay, not a we can say that a skill and so many things what you have to learn this language. So you have to work on it. You have to work on it and you have to a burning desire to learn this language, especially for a beginner. What type of activity everyone do? Yes, he start, after that he drop because I cannot be speak English because I can speak wrong. So how can I improve these type of problem? So it's happened, doesn't matter you speak wrong, you're right. First you should have to start. You should start speaking as much as possible in front of mirror, camera. Also I am also doing this activity, that is why I am telling to you. Yes, I am telling to you. I used to do a practice like this method, and you can see my video in short video available in my YouTube channel, so you can watch how can I practice to speaking English. So okay, yes, first you think positive. People always see the negative side. I cannot be speaking English. Yes, you are also a human being. You can speak English. Nobody can perfect in this era. Everyone facing these type of problem as a beginner, and mind was blank. So many things, words are not come, not much vocabulary. How can we speak like this? Yes, so these type of problem everyone facing. After that we have to move in, get fluence in this language. Because of that, the real reason is that he never give up. He never give up. He continuously practice speaking, reading, writing, all these things. You also can speak English. What you have to decide it yourself. Yes, I want to speak English. This is my desire. But people wants a magical stick. There is no shortcut here. There is no shortcut. But you have to maintain a consistency with patience. Patience is also important because you cannot be speak only 1 month like to other, because you are compare. There's that person speaks well, but you cannot see the struggle of behind of that pupil. You understand what I am saying, I think. So today, this in this video only you should have to start. Yes, should start in learning everything new things and apply in conversation. You can emerge with these type of activity because it is very important. If you are do not talk to anyone, how can we speak a fluent speaker? You want to speak English fluently, but you don't do practice every day. It is a reality. It is a reality. Yes, I am saying right, because nowadays I am also preparing this type of activity. I will do every day. I did not give up. I have give up so many time. I am frustrated. I cannot speak English. I am speaking wrong. I speaking so many things, but I ignore these things. Then you can see I now I can speak English because of practice. Yes, people are always say, yes, you have to do practice. It is right. You have to practice and immerse these type of activity. Yes, so people are searching in on YouTube channel how to speak English and so many time, but people did not find your journey. How can I improve? Because you know very well in or yourself. So you have to find out which type of content do you like most. After that, you have to move, and you can watch so many video podcast, so many things you have to watch, but people don't want to. So please share this video who really want to speak English and feel motivated, because I am also like with you. I am not a great speaker, but I am trying to speak English earlier, how to improve. That is why I am improving day by day and write down so many things. So please do subscribe my channel and give me a feedback. Yes, I can do and not. Definitely I can do. Okay.